Hey there, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to record a Telegram video chat in your group or channel. By the end of this video, you'll know how to save your conversations, whether it's for meetings, webinars, fun hangouts, or creating content to share later. And don't worry if you've never tried recording a Telegram video chat before. I'll walk you through every step, making sure you feel totally confident. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your Telegram group or channel. When you're ready to start your video chat, look for the small camera icon. That's your Start Video Chat button. Clicking this is what opens the door to starting a live video session with everyone in your group. Think of it as inviting everyone into the virtual room. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in a group or channel where you have the right permissions, since only admins can start these chats. Now, once your video chat window is open, focus on the three vertical dots in the top corner. These dots are sort of like your toolkit. They contain extra features and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. Click those three dots and you'll see an option that says Start Recording. Go ahead and tap on that. This is where Telegram gives you the power to capture what's happening in real time. I always suggest announcing to your group that you're about to start recording, just out of courtesy, since Telegram will also notify participants. At this point, Telegram will ask you what exactly you want to record. By default, it'll capture the audio, so if you just want to keep track of the conversation, you're good. But you can also choose to record video. Here, where the Also Record Video checkbox comes in handy, simply tick the box if you want the visuals as well. For example, if you're teaching something and using screen sharing, or you just want to capture people's reactions and interactions, definitely check that box. After that, Telegram will ask you to select the orientation for the video recording. You can choose between portrait or landscape mode. If most people are on their phones, portrait might make sense, but if you expect folks to watch on a computer or TV, landscape gives you a wider, more traditional look. Don't stress too much, pick what suits your needs. Your choice here affects how the finished recording plays back, so it's worth briefly thinking about your audience. The next step is to add a recording title. It may sound minor, but it makes a huge difference when you're organizing your files later. Think of it like labeling a folder or a notebook. Give your recording a name that makes sense. You could keep it simple like Team Meeting June 2024 or Weekend Book Club. That way, if you make several recordings, you'll know exactly which one to grab for playback or sharing. Once you've given your recording a title, simply hit Start and that's it. Telegram will immediately begin capturing everything based on your settings. You'll see a small indicator letting you know the recording is running, so you can relax and focus on your chat. If at any point you want to stop, just open those three dots again and click Stop Recording. The file will then be saved to your group or channel, ready to download or share, and there you go. You now know how to record a Telegram video chat step by step, from launching the video session to saving your recording for later. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, drop me a comment below so I can help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy practical guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.